If you've been thinking about selling on Etsy and you feel like everything has been taken, then this video is for you. These are 7 digital products that are still selling crazy fast right now, and even going to be still selling in 2026. The best part is that you're going to be able to create this with free tools, even if you never sold anything online before. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you can have more freedom in your life. Okay, so let's start with planners. And I am not talking about the basic planners that everyone is selling. People want specific solution. So think wedding content planners, nursing school study planners, side hustle goal planners, and small business launch planners. If you can solve a real problem for a specific person, that's where the sales come from. If you do not have an outline already, you can go to AI to outline what to include. So you will ask AI, create a planner layout for someone and you insert the niche. Then you would take it to Canva and customize it with your own color and with your own style. This one is low key and underrated. I am talking about budget trackers, business dashboards, and content calendars. People buy these every single day because they want to get organized. You don't need any coding skills for this. You would just simply go to AI and ask AI, design a Notion dashboard for, and you insert your audience, who's the dashboard for, to manage, and you will put what goal. Just will build the layout, and then you will sell the duplicate link on Etsy. The third one we are going to discuss, Canva template for creators. Social media templates still print money. Every small business want content, but pretty. You can create a bundle for 30 to 50 Canva templates for reels, carousels, covers, and email, and you can sell it for $17 through $27. But the key here is niche it down. Niching down will always be better than doing generic. So for example, you would say I offer social media templates for hashtags, or I offer real estate reel bundles. Those are very specific in targeting a specific audience, not just everyone. The next product that you can launch is checklists, such as morning routines or 30 real hooks ideas for coaches. Use AI to brainstorm the ideas and you will clean them up in Canva. Make it cute and list it for $7 to $9. They are easy to make and later on is great to bundle. Number 5 is mini guides and how-to ebooks. People love to pay for clarity. If you can explain something step by step, turn it into a guide. If you sell nails or you have a nail business, you can sell a guide or ebook. You can teach people how to start a press-on nail business. If you're a content creator, you can create an ebook or a guide teaching people how to plan content without burnout. AI can help you outline each chapter, then you can design it in Canva. Keep it short, 15-page max. That's what sells. Number 6 is client kit and business templates. Service providers need systems such as client welcome kit, contract templates, and pricing guides. Bundle 3 to 4 documents and you got a $27 digital product that saves people hours. Use AI to write the structure and then add your own tone and design. The whole key is not just let AI do the entire work for you. The key is to use AI as a stepping stone and you do the rest. So you put your knowledge into it, AI just refine it to tone it up for you. And that's what AI is for. It's not to create the entire thing for you. It's to give you an outline, a guide to assist you, not to do it for you. The last one is digital journals and trackers. Self-care and goal trackers are timeless. The key is to make them specific as possible. So for example, instead of gratitude journal, try healing girl journal or entrepreneur mindset tracker. Themes connect emotionally and that's why they sell. All you need is Canva and a little creativity. So those are 7 digital products that are selling like crazy and still will be selling in 2026. Pick one and validate it on Etsy today and start selling this week. You do not need a big audience. You just need a good product and clear listing. You want to see how people are making $7,000 selling digital products on Threads and turning that into a passive income, you can click the video right here. Go ahead and watch that right after this one. If you are new here, subscribe, like, turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any of my further uploads. I drop videos here every week that shows you how to build freedom using what you already have.